Welcome. Today I'm gonna replace a battery in this Pokemon Gold cartridge from the Game Boy. It's keep asking for the date and time, and it's also not saving your gameplay. So that's a bit of a pity. It already died, I guess, because there was nothing in it. You need a special bit for this. It's hard to see, but you just need a special bit. I'm not using a tool because you can easily unscrew it and get the thing out. Unfortunately, something is rattling in this cage, so I think something is broken. Yep, here we are. Oh, here you go. 2 notches. This side broke off. So that's a pity, but okay. I'll just put them aside. I'm gonna test the battery, but I think it's already dead. Yeah, 0.02 volts. That's not a lot. You need it's stamped on the print, it's a CR2025. And I've got some replacement ones. I'll just test this also on the other side. Let's see. Just that. Yeah, 3.3 volts. That's okay. It's good. It should last for another 10 to 15 years. And if you don't play a lot, it's just about the same size. Almost. So it's interchangeable. Just get my soldering iron ready. A little bit dirty from the last time. Just zoomed in a bit to get the old solder flowing. I'm gonna add some new. It's a large. It's flowing fine. Maybe I should get some tweezers. Some room underneath it. Here we go. Stuck to something. Oh. I didn't flow it correctly. Here we are. One side. Yeah, it's the other side. Let's clean this up with some solder wick. flowing that nicely, but get the job done. Just add some fresh solder. New battery on. There we go. Pads are nice clean. There's a minus sign right here, and there's a positive sign right there. Battery has a positive sign on one side. That lead is positive. Just have to position it like this. I'm just gonna add some tiny bit of flux. Get it flowing better. Down, add some fresh solder, let it flow nicely. Same for the other side. Let it flow, position it, and here we go. There's some flux residue there. Just gonna clean it up a bit. Some IPA. Just got this little bottle to drip. I can drip something onto it, not too much. And just clean it up. Looks okay. Also gonna clean up the contacts a bit. They're also a little bit dirty. See some residue on the other side, but it should be okay. Just gonna clean it. Looks better. it back in the enclosure. Cartridge, sorry. Just using my fingers to screw it in, not too tight, else you're gonna break the plastic. It's a little brittle after so many years of service. Got this Game Boy Advance. Let's hope it's visible. There we go. Let's see if we just save the game. Let's try if it's there. Yeah, we can continue the game. And even got the date or time right. So, all fixed.